Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. So you all know that I love detox drinks, detox waters, tons of teas. I have a whole playlist of my detox waters, teas, and everything. So I'm going to be making a different one today for you guys. This is going to be a tea with honey and cinnamon sticks. So I'm going to boil some cinnamon sticks, and then I'll add in the honey after I pour the water into my little mug. And this is so good, you guys. So the cinnamon is so good. It boosts your metabolism. It suppresses your appetite. It's really good for regulating your insulin levels. So just really great, healthy, all around. Love cinnamon. And then honey, I got this local honey. It's from about 15 miles away from these people that make it. And so you want to try and get your local honey, and honey is so good for you. Also, both of these all natural ingredients, but honey helps burn fat, helps metabolize fat, and it helps with digestion. So both of these combined, super awesome. Detox, weight loss, if you're following a low calorie diet. You guys all know that you can't just drink a drink and lose a bunch of weight. So it's just something awesome to add to your low calorie diet that helps just boost that metabolism, boost that fat burning. So it's just really good for you. So I'm gonna get this made. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. And then also, like I mentioned, I have a whole playlist of detox drinks, waters, teas. I love apple cider vinegar, so tons of apple cider vinegar drinks. So check all those out on the playlist. I will link it in the description box below, so check those out. I'm gonna get this one made for you guys. Okay, I have about 1.5 cups of water in my saucepan, and I'm going to add in 2 cinnamon sticks and let this come to a boil. You can also use ground cinnamon if you'd like, but I'm gonna wait until this comes to a boil, then I'll pour it into my coffee cup and add in the honey, and this will be so good, you guys. All right, so this has come to a boil. I am going to turn it off. I'm gonna let it cool for a few minutes, and then I'll add in the honey into the coffee cup, and this will be ready to go. All right, so I'm gonna pour in my cinnamon water, and I love how it turns like a little brownish pinkish. I'm gonna add in my honey, about a tablespoon of honey, and let the honey melt into this cinnamon water. And then I'm gonna let it cool. It's still way too hot. I'm gonna let it cool, and I will have this. It's so, so good, you guys. So helpful to add it to your low calorie diet if you're trying to lose a little bit of weight. Hope that you guys enjoyed this one. If you make it, leave me a comment. Let me know how you like it. I love the taste of honey with cinnamon. To me, it tastes good. So put a thumbs up on this video if you guys like it, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. Hope that you have a really great day, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye-bye.